Hey guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another cooking vlog. Hey! Today is my 6th day of self-quarantine here in Siargao Island. As you may or may not know, I am doing short cooking vlogs. Simple, easy, and on a budget. Mostly on a budget. Cooking show with Avelovinit. Today I will be teaching you how to make a simple carbonara recipe using your corned beef, Vienna sausage, and cream. That's it. And of course pasta. There will be about 5 to 7 ingredients only for this recipe. Being on self-quarantine made me more inventive or adventurous when it comes to cooking canned goods. Actually, this is what I used to make when I was in college doing my internship because it's really simple, it's delicious, and it fits my budget. So yeah, without further ado, let me guys teach you how to make a corned beef carbonara a la Avelovinit. Let's go. Alright you guys, there you have it. It's very simple, it fits right on the budget, and it's served for people. Perfect for those of you guys who are on a budget and you know want to eat a different dish or try a different dish using your canned goods. Yes. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please comment below any suggestions, what budget recipes I should do next time, and I'll see you guys on the next cooking vlog. Bye. Peace.